So welcome back to What Gear Reviews, and hey, did I ever tell you that story about that time Bin Laden crashed into my car and then claimed whiplash? Okay, it wasn't really Bin Laden, but he looked like him though. And he did claim whiplash and he did win the claim even though I was stationary and he was moving. I'm not here to tell you that story today. I'm here to tell you about this dash cam from Nextbase, and I'm also here to tell you that if you're unhappy with your current dash cam, you can actually trade it in at Halfords and get 20% off one of these, which has been nominated a Which Best Buy. The AA have endorsed this, and for those of you that don't know who the AA are, here in the UK, if your car breaks down, these guys usually save you. Or if someone crashes into your car, these are usually the first people on the scene. So you can trust them, they know what they're talking about when it comes to cars and car accidents. So anyway, all I'm going to do today is unbox this, show you what comes with it, let's have a look at the quality and the design of the product, and then stay tuned for a comparison video where I'm going to be comparing this to another dash cam which is very similar but a lot cheaper. So the question is less more, or are they more or less the same, or is it better to spend a little bit more money and go for something that people actually recommend? And I'm pretty confident that if these guys are saying good things about this product, it must be good. But anyway, I'm going to put it to the test. Let's unbox it, let's see what it comes with. Quick start guide. So here's the camera itself, really compact, good lens on there. Let me take this off. So you can see there, really good lens on there. 140 degrees is what I heard. On the back you got a little LCD screen. So this is really cool. The actual piece that fixes it to your windscreen is actually really compact, and you can see there on the side micro USB. Then you got the cigarette lighter charger there, and then a micro USB cable as well, and also a Nextbase sticker which you can put on your car to let people know you got a camera, and if they try and crash for cash, it's not going to work. So let me tell you a few cool things about this dash cam. You got 1080p 30 frames per second. You got a 2.7 inch LED color screen on the back. The lens on the front there is actually 6-element glass lens with 140 degrees. You got a magnetic clip which literally clicks onto it. You got a smartphone app as well, which means you can connect directly to it and download video footage from it as well. Then you've actually got a Nextbase video editing app, so you can actually edit out the best bits and delete the rest of the boring stuff. That's pretty cool. You got GPS login, so you can actually look where you've been, where you've driven to. It supports up to 128 gigabytes of storage, and I heard 32 gigabytes will actually store up to 4 hours of footage. Now, something that's really cool about this one is if you have an accident and for whatever reason the electrics in your car stop working, this actually has a backup battery of 30 minutes, so it will continue to record even if the battery isn't charging the device anymore. This looks like a really awesome product. Make sure you stay tuned for my comparison video coming soon, and I'll also be doing another little video just to go over my user experience with this dash cam. Anyway, thanks for watching this quick video from What Gear Reviews. See you guys in the next one. Don't be late.